Welcome back again sa channel ko. Andito ko ngayon sa seafront, sa pier at 2 o'clock ng hapon. Ngayon pupuntahan ko sila Kai. Nandun siya sa dulo, fishing siya. Tignan natin kung anong ginagawa niya.
Well, I bought a return, but my return was only valid for 1 month. After 1 month, that's it.
Medyo maraming tao ngayon. At spring na dito, pero malamig pa rin. Ito ngayon sa pier, Worthing Pier. Tingnan nyo yan. Parang may nasira. Hindi ko alam kung nasan siya ngayon. So normally dito kami pumupunta, nag-fishing siya. Tapos mayroong cafe sa may dulo, pero parang sarado yata ngayon. Magandang araw. Hindi siya malamig, tamang-tama lang. Dati na-close ito nung last year, parang from October until December nag-close siya. So ang daming hindi nakakapasok, pero hanggang doon sa may ano lang siya, entrance lang pwedeng mag-fishing kung gusto mo. So makikita niya ngayon, guys. Medyo hinihingal ako. So may mga fishing rods na nakakabang. Hindi ko lang po nasa ngayon sila Kai. Kita mo nasa siya. Check natin sa kabilang side. So dito, ang dami din talaga nag-stay pag gandang panahon. Wala dito. Let's check sa kabila. Okay, kita ko na. Dapat talaga ay pupunta ako sa Perch, kaso sabi niya ay sarado every Monday and Wednesday. Ano ba naman yan? Sabi ko, kailan pa naman ako walang pasok. Hindi, nakita ko na may kausap. 2 o'clock na, hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, pero okay lang. So ito madalas namin gawin pag walang pasok, dito lang sa seafront. Ayan, dami ng fish. Hi. You're right. Ayun, kanyang fishing rod. Isa lang ginagamit niya. Hello. Ayan sila Kai.
Hiya.
How do you get on?
No fish today.
No fish.
So on Wednesday I'm going to go to Seaford and fish Seaford. Apparently they're getting plenty of place down there.
Yeah.
So that's the only way for me.
That's alright then. Yeah, I've got some lunch here.
Wait, it's on my box. Go for you.
It's okay.
Yeah, look. Have a seat.
Yes.
Oh.
Ay nga, close nga siya. Every Monday, Wednesday closed. Tapos Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday open. Days off ko pa man din yan. Close sila. Anyway, it's siguro temporary. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Kung may tao, kung may nag-fish eh. Meron din. Ayan may mga nag-ano sila. You okay? Have you got any? Nothing? may inaayos din. Close ulit. Anyway, at least nakalabas ngayon, walang pasok. Parehas kaming lakay. Nasa na siya. Masikat ang araw. Dami din naglalakad. Okay. Well, anyway, mag 3 o'clock na. Tingnan natin sila kaya. Ayun pa rin siya nakaupo. Actually, yung box niya, yung fish yung box niya, pwede siya upuan. Pero pwede rin naman din umupo yan. Okay. Ayan sila kay. Ay. I was taking a video on that bit. You know, like the people, yeah? And then later on the kids were just waving at me. Oh, I wasn't really taking a video of them and waving at me. So that's okay. You're on YouTube. Yeah, that's fine. So they're from Italy.
Really?
Yeah, Italia. Huh?
That might be it. That was Italians on World in Fear.
Yeah.
They'll be doing it. They'll do it. They'll be asking the radio channel.
Tignan niyo ang view guys, ang ganda. Tahimik. Tahimik kasi close itong perch. Normally ito busy. Hanggang dyan. Tapos dito sa labas. So may mga tables dito. Pero close nila ito. Dahil inaayos yan nila sa baba. So hindi pa safe para sa mga nag-fish. Dito nag-fish si Lakay hanggang doon sa dulo. So dito ang daming tao pag summer. Yan yung tsura. Sa taas yung cafe and restaurant. Parang under renovation yata. Nag-aayos sila. Siguro naghahanda para sa summer. Check ko mamaya sa taas. Akit tayo. Tingnan natin kung pwede umakyat. So, yun guys. So kung makikita nyo yung mula doon sa main road, doon na main road, doon banda ang main road, mula doon yan, papasok sa loob. Ang mga tao nagpapasukan pa rin, may ikot lang. I-zoom natin. So mag 3 o'clock pa lang siya. So maraming nag-iikot. Ito mga estudyante. I think mga estudyante galing ng Spain kasi narinig ko sila nag-Spanish. You don't mind? It's okay. You don't mind that took a video. Just you don't mind. It's okay. Was it okay? In YouTube, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Where are you from? Where are you from? Italy. Italia. All right. So Italiana. Right. Thank you. So yun guys. So from Italy sila. So mga estudyante, sila from Italy. Normally kasi dito may mga daming students. So may parang mga exchange students. Yung iba naman hindi. Talagang handa sila para mag-aral dito. Pero mostly yung mga European countries din. Parang madami Spanish. Mabait naman sila. Ganda na araw. Narinig mo sila magsalita. Sabi ko na yeah. Wow. What is that?
Flatfish.
Flatfish.
A dab.
Dab, is it?
I think so, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yan guys, mayroon siyang tinatanggal sa loob yung bait yata. Stop pa naman siya doon. Kausap niya yung mga nag-subscribe sa kanya last time.
A lot of people are watching. It's better weather too.
So doon kami nag-park. Punta kami doon.
See you again, yeah. Hopefully it's catch even today or anything.
Yeah, I just got a flatty about that and that was it. But at least it was solid, you know. Right, good luck. See you again. Bye bye.
Ang daming nagpe-fish.
Oh, you actually caught something. Oh, yeah, well done. You're probably the only one today, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I'm going to try seafood next time, you know. Try down that way, just to change it.
Yeah, it's nice to put that one.
I'll try it. Good luck anyway. Thank you. That was the
I think you're the only one.
I am.
The one and only fisherman in Worthing Pier.
They won't on the
So you've got the luck. I think your luck is holding you at the moment.
holding me together.
Holding it together.
It obviously was. I think they just want to subscribe, you know.
Yes, why not?
I think they
Why
just
not?
do. So they young guys are subscribers.
Yeah,
That
I
was them.
remember them.
Remember
Yeah,
the,
yeah.
I told them, I said, I checked that channel again last night and it had like 3,000,
Yeah,
400.
I remember them.
That's huge. I said, you guys are stars. I like that, isn't it? Friendly.
Yeah, they are. It's good though. At
yeah.
least they're doing something on their spare time, isn't it? They like fishing.
Yeah.
They're enjoying their time. Oh, look at that.
We should do a short. This is Worthing Pier now. Check it out.
You can do it now.
Hold that. I'll just
Hold it.
hold it. Yeah.